Introducing the Origami Rainbow Tunnel. And yep, and it's folded from several modules, no taping or gluing. And yeah, and it's collapsible. Check that out, isn't that cool or what? See, just like that. And I'm gonna show you how to fold it. All right, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so to fold this tunnel, you need multiple sheets of paper, and I'm gonna start with 6-inch commies. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. For this model, you can actually really use as much sheets as you like. So if you want a longer tunnel, use more sheets, and then a shorter tunnel, use fewer sheets. Okay. And unfold, and fold to the crease. We're gonna fold into 8. Okay, and fold to the top. And repeat. Okay, and turn over and fold to the middle.
Found your stuff when we put it up? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, and fold in half. And completely unfold. And now reverse all the creases. So fold on this mountain fold and 1 down. And then 2 up, 1 down. 2 up, 1 down. And fold this up like this. Okay? And now unfold like this. And now we're gonna fold this into thirds. So fold this up so this is equal to this. And then fold this part behind. And just fiddle with the folds until they align. Alright, like that. Okay, now white side up. Fold this edge to the crease mark. Unfold and fold this edge to the crease.
Same for me, yeah. So we can have an easy day, or yep.
Okay, unfold and fold this edge to this crease. And just fold from here to this crease. Like that. And repeat on this side. Fold this edge to the crease. And just crease from the crease to there. Like that. Okay. So now we got the pre-creases done, and now it's time to collapse it. So turn over and fold on this diagonal and this diagonal, and fold this up like this. And then pinch right here. And the same on this side too. Okay? And then we're just gonna continue like that, going all the way up. So pinch. Fold this up like this and pinch. And then just keep doing that, going all the way up. Alright, like that. And 1 unit is done. And now, just make however much more units you want, depending on how long you want your tunnel. Alright, so here we go. So I'm gonna make another one at normal speed this time, so I'm just gonna do it in real time so you get the idea. Okay, so here we go. So in half. I'm not gonna talk for this too, I'm just gonna show you in real time. Yeah, I'm in the kitchen, by the way, so there might be a little bit of noise in the background, but just try to do what you gotta do. Okay, like this. Okay, so once you got all your units, I'm gonna show you how to connect them. So here's how to do that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tuck these 2 points inside of this slot and this slot. So here we go. So just insert it in just like this. All right, and then now once you're at this part, turn over on this side and pinch right there, and then fold that flap to one direction. So just fold it behind like this to lock it. And by the way, when you lock this together, find the raw corner, see, like this, there's the raw corner where you attached it, and fold on the raw corner and this layer too, so it's on all these layers. See, just like that, so that whole flap on all layers. See, just like that, and see, that'll lock it together. So let me show you that again. So we're folding on the raw corner and on this part too at the same time. So folding on those layers all at the same time, like that. And then just do that all the way up on both sides, like that. And then repeat on this side. So find the part with the raw point. Just kind of hold it in place there and fold that flap behind. It doesn't really matter what direction you fold it, we're just locking it. Alright? And now just bring everything together like this so everything's sharp. See? And that's how you attach them. And then, now I'm gonna try and attach them to this tunnel now. So here we go. So same thing, you can really make however much you want. So same thing, I'm gonna tuck these 2 points into this slot and this slot. Actually, yeah, I can probably put the orange inside there. Doesn't really matter. Actually, I'm gonna put the red inside of the orange so it's more like a rainbow. There we go. And then now turn over and find the raw point, and then pinch it like this and fold it behind. And same here. Alright, and now just bring the whole thing together, like that. And there it is. That is the tunnel. So yeah, you can just keep making units and just keep extending the tunnel if you want. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, it looks really cool too. It's like a giant caterpillar. So yeah, there it is. You can look inside of it. So yeah, like a caterpillar tunnel. Alright, well, hope you guys managed to fold that. Make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, bye-bye.